It's not here yet.
Look at the rain coming off the grill. Do you see that?
Yeah.
What? That was a cool shot. Look at it coming off of my dad's car from the back.
Whoa!
I think we'll go get some ice cream right now. The car's like going to the grocery.
Holy shit. Here it is.
Wow. Look at the water coming off of my dad's, the back of his car.
Wow! Wow!
What was that? I saw something. It's like, the rain is like going upward. Do you see it?
Yeah.
It's like splaying off the back of the car and going upward.
The wind's changing directions. There's the hail. There's the hail.
Oh crap.
Oh.
No! That sucks for dealerships that are trying to sell cars.
There's the hail. Look at the tree.
Wow. Oh. Oh, I can see little hail droplets on the ground. They're kind of small. They're like BB size.
Wow. Now we go out the other side of the storm and you get hit with lightning again. It's 80 degrees. It's been about a year or two for a storm like this. Unbelievable. Ow. I love that.
Whoa.
Oh, fuck! All of those are hitting things. They're all hitting the ground. Fuck. That one was very, very, very close. Let's back up a little bit further into the garage. Wow, there's another one.
That scared me more than a zombie movie.
Whew. this. Fuck. Oh, fuck.
It's so crazy because sometimes the lighting flashes so much, it looks like daylight for a second.
Yeah. Brighter than daylight.
Yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ. This is the most powerful storm I've seen in like 3 years. Wow. There's one I took a video of like 3 years ago in College Station, and he just had the loudest lightning strikes. But I think this one's bigger and more powerful.
This one might be the loudest I've ever heard. I remember when I stayed the night in one of the canyons
Holy shit.
when I was doing that camping trip. I mean, it sounded really loud because it was raining.
Fuck. Ooh, that it's cold. Back up a little further. It's just blowing, it's like blowing rain in now.
Yeah. I wonder why the light went on.
Motion sensor or something. Snugged up.
It's pretty crazy that it's coming this far into the garage.
Yeah. I should have, I really should have turned on 60 frames per second. It would have used twice as much data, but I would have maybe captured that one light. There's 2 lightning strikes that I got perfectly. I think they're gonna end up just being just flashes on here. The sounds are definitely being captured though.